Today, a launching ceremony was held in Dubai by MAG Holding Group to construct 2 billion houses in the heart of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid City. Its founding stone was laid by the project directors of both the countries, China and Dubai. A colorful ceremony was also held on this occasion and China presented its cultural tableau. Let's watch a report in this regard by the Bureau Chief Dubai, Sheikh Tariq Nadeem of 87 News.
MAG Holding Group launched a 2 billion housing project in the heart of Dubai, Mohammed bin Rashid City. MAG Development lays the foundation stone for the MAG City. The signing ceremony held in Dubai in the presence of Chairman of MAG Group, Mr. Muwaffaq Al-Gada, and their Chinese counterpart, Dai Haijian, Chairman, China National Engineering Group. MAG City will be completed within 3 to 5 years.